This is it. We are out once again. We're meeting up with two of our bigger hosts.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Alrighty, good morning, Mama Zooms. It's actually not morning, it's almost 3 p.m. and we haven't had breakfast yet. So we had a late night last night. We met up with some friends, Biglaan, and we didn't expect it to go as late as that, but yeah, we did get home quite late. So now we're just about to go eat and then we're gonna hit the gym. Off to the gym.
Yes!
Let's get ripped, babe. Alright, so we're just off to the gym. It is, what's the time?
4:46.
4:46, baby. It's the day just getting started. Backing up. Alright, let's go to the lounge.
Kakagaling lang namin dito sa lounge. Nag-early dinner na. And kami ay paakit na sa room. Do you have susi, Daddy?
Yeah.
Okay. Sama
I got a joy banana.
tatlong bulinggit.
Show the fruit you got from. Show yours, Mimi.
It's my joy banana from inside out.
Ah, talaga ba? Ikaw, Mimi.
Si Mimi din.
Wow!
No? Oh, you're gonna eat it now?
Yeah.
Tako ni Lelen, daming nakain eh.
Yeah. What did you have? Chicken.
Soup, rice. Ayan. So, ganun palang nagsisimula yung mga araw natin, mga Zoops. Siguro, magsistay lang muna kami dito sa bahay. Hindi ako sure kung pupunta yung dalawang host namin from Bigo dito. Kasi may mga news na naman akong nababasa sa Facebook na may bagyo. Mamaya pa naman sila pupunta, pero tingnan ko.
Come here.
Magiging lakad na. Nagdadalaw daw sila sa amin dito eh. Ito yung susi, oh.
I want to do it.
Mimi, you do it.
Where?
There. Bait-bait naman ni Mimi. Ayaw pala maglakad. Ang bigat eh.
We forgot the stroller.
Hindi, sinabi ko na kay Ima na siya na lang magdala ng stroller. Okay.
Welcome home.
Gusto ko lang din palang mag-thank you kay Glenda. Daddy, buhatin mo nga. Ayan, ang paborito naming noodles.
Yeah, every time we're in Japan, this is what we eat for breakfast. We get it from the
Mini 7-Eleven
Yeah.
ganyan. Mini stop nila doon.
Thank you, Glenda.
Thank you,
Oh,
sis.
si Mimi's hugging it.
Sarap niya, no? Lalo na kapag may hangover tayo, di ba?
Take your shoes, mommy.
I am, look. Oh,
Daddy, take your shoes also.
Daddy, ah. O, dito muna tayo. Maliligo ako kasi galing sa gym. Maligo muna kami, mga Zoops, and then I'll get back to you.
Alright guys, this is it. We are out once again. We're meeting up with two of our bigger hosts from, well, I'm not sure where they came from actually, but I think it was from the other side of the city. But they made it, and we're gonna go out for dinner. Mummy is all ready. Are you ready?
Yesterday.
Ayun, so what's the plan? We're gonna get, yeah, we're gonna have some dinner because we're actually really hungry. And I only had like M&Ms and stuff from Mimi, but yeah, we're gonna meet with Erica and Ika. They're actually a couple of our top hosts, so we'll see you guys in a little bit.
I'm not done with you. I'm
paakyat na tulog na yung mga bata, mga sulus. Kaya pag-akyat namin, nakakapag-relax pa kami ng konti. Tapos bukas, may importante akong meeting para sa isang
10th floor.
surprise! Hintayin natin yan. Nakaka-excite.
Going
Kaya
up.
tayo ay... Sana makapag-gym pa tayo bago ang meeting.
Or
1 o'clock yung meeting.
before meeting and then
Baka dapat after. Kasi syempre, napuyat na tayo ngayon.
we're gonna have seafood noodles. Galing kay Glenda.
Kainin natin. Sarap yun eh.
Because I feel like something salty.
Sige, pero ngayon lang managda-diet tayo. Ano ba ngayon? Monday pa lang ngayon.
Monday.
Monday pa lang. Ang sika ng diet.
Well, technically Tuesday because of 2 a.m.
Pwede naman.
We haven't had it for so long though, so it's not like, you know, not too guilty.
Make you guilty. Charot! Charot. Yan, so. Ito na kami sa kanya. Baka hindi na nag-apply ng mami ko. Tahimik.
Hindi pa open.
Kita ka.
Hindi pa open. Ilang tracks pa?
Ang dami, Glenda. Sige. Ang malamang sapatos.
Just one.
Hati na lang tayo. Like may outfit kanina.
So solid. Without. Black.
Sayang, di tayo nakapagpamasahe.
Yeah, but it's close at 11:30 though.
Hindi ko alam. So, ang oras na ba? 2 o'clock na pala. Kita pa ba namin sa inyo kumakain kami ng noodles? Iingitin ba namin kayo? Okay, why not? Ayan, mga Zoobs! Inumaga na naman tayo mag-vlog tonight. Ano? Mali. Inumaga na tayo ulit mag-vlog kasi kagabi yun na nga, lumabas tayo. Pero hindi naman din masyadong late natapos yung labas namin. Tapos yung mga kasama namin is our top host sa Bigo ulit. Minimit talaga namin sila when we have the time. And syempre, opportunity na rin yun to hang out, to catch up. Kasi nakakausap naman namin sila most of the time. Pero online kasi nga po sa Bigo Live. Tapos maraming salamat. Ang daming nag-inquire sa akin after ko pag-usapan yung online streaming nga na ginagawa namin. So, sa mga gusto pa ring mag-message about how tayong mag-recruit or how sumali sa Bigo Live sa pag-online para may extra income kayo. Just keep on messaging me, especially on my Bigo account, Diana Zubiri, or on my Instagram, Diana Zubiri Smith. So, Ikang, Erica, and Jego Curti, thank you so much for wonderful night, and mag-catch up pa rin tayo every time we have time. I've been passing time. Wow. Thank you so much sa lahat ng nanood ngayon, mga Zoobs, and thank you pa rin sa ating mga sponsors. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.